Recording in progress.
السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. It's my pleasure to introduce you myself. I am Muhammad Ahmed Hifni. I graduated at Faculty of Education 2001. I got a diploma in teaching science and English from AUC, American University. Then another one in STEAM education from AUC also, and a master degree in media. And now I prepare a PhD in media also. About my experience, I worked in prep school for 7 years, primary and prep for 7 years as a science teacher, and 10 years as a biology teacher. And now I am the HOD of the department in my school. Let's start our day. The session today will be about cell structure. The objective of the session is to explain the main components of a cell and functions. The first 10 minutes of our session will be for activity 1, which is brainstorming or introduction. If you are a manager, that's a question for students. If you are a manager of a factory, explain the system of working in it. So I will collect the students' answers and record their answers on board. After the discussion with students, teacher will say a cell is like the factory you talked about. Each part has a job in the cell, like each part in the factory. So we can say that cells are the basic units of life, just like the factory. Each part has a specific function. The second activity is about 20 minutes by using cards. Okay, I will say to students, using cards in front of you to present about the organelle you will have. Each card will be or have a specific part of the cell drawn and written words about function of this part or this organelle. So a group of students of 3 will read and discuss using their book, maybe internet, to collect information about that. So class is divided into groups of 3. Each group has one organelle card. Then they present it to other groups. Group has uh, mitochondria, another one chloroplast, uh, and so on. Teacher will summarize what students said in all their presentations. Activity 3 will take 15 minutes. Teacher explains cell structures and functions. For example, mitochondria is a factory of energy, and chloroplast is a factory of energy also, but the main um, the main purpose is to do photosynthesis process, okay? While mitochondria to make or to do cell respiration, and nucleolus to produce ribosomes, and so on. So each one has, or each part has its own specific function. And that's a comparison between plant cell and animal cell. Plant cell is composed of ribosome, Golgi vesicles, smooth endoplasmic reticulum, nucleus, large central vacuole, uh, of course, cell wall and cell membrane, okay, chloroplasts, mitochondria, and cytoplasm. On the other side, nearly all the components except there is no cell wall. In animal cell, there is no cell wall. There is no chloroplasts. Okay. In animal cell, vacuole is very small, but in plant cell, vacuole is large. In animal cells, there is smooth endoplasmic reticulum and rough endoplasmic reticulum and lysosomes, vesicles, Golgi apparatus, nucleus, and cell membrane, like plant cell. After finishing the session, teacher reviews all points in session briefly in 5 minutes. After that, the closure of the session, teacher will write on board or Google form a question, which is what is the function of each one of the following nucleus, nucleolus, and lysosomes. Okay, that's all about our session. Thank you.